So, Ferris Bueller's Day Off. For a movie made in 1986, it's actually a pretty good movie. And I'm not one of those people who compares movies from when it's made, but you have to give it some credit. I mean, there was just so much lighthearted humor that it was deep enough for the audience to actually relate to it somehow. I don't know. It was well directed, it was well acted. I just loved how the whole movie just kind of played itself through. It was pure entertainment from start to finish. This is most definitely one of my top 10 favorite all time movies. I think the reason why I loved it so much was the fact that I actually contemplated whether on skipping school with my friends. Not in the exact same manner, but something along the lines of it. And I love what the movie represented. I mean, life does pass by really quickly, and you really, really need to appreciate life and live to its fullest. So that's really, really the reason why I like it. So, great choice, SourceFed.